In today's digital world, visibility is everything. Starting an SEO consultancy in Malaysia could be your gateway to helping businesses rise to the top. Literally, search engine optimization is all about improving website visibility on Google and other search engines. Businesses are investing heavily in SEO to attract more online traffic and boost sales. To start your consultancy, register your business, build a professional website, and showcase your SEO expertise. Offer services like keyword research, on-page optimization, backlink strategies, and content marketing tailored for Malaysian businesses. Grow your client base by networking, creating case studies, and using social media to demonstrate results. Offer performance-based packages and stay updated with Google's algorithm changes to stay ahead of the competition. And don't forget, maintaining compliance with business registration, taxation, and digital marketing laws in Malaysia is essential for long-term success. The demand for SEO services in Malaysia is booming, and your consultancy can lead the way. Partner with 3E Accounting Malaysia to handle your business registration, accounting, and compliance needs.